11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of, or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and/or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
Good morning, Public Works. Prepare for heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Normally, this test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, this week it is being conducted on Tuesday in recognition of Severe Weather Preparedness Week and to coincide with the testing of outdoor warning sirens done by many communities in Illinois on the first Tuesday of the month around 10 a.m. At this time, take a moment to practice your severe weather emergency sheltering plan. At the very least, answer this question: where would I take shelter if a tornado were approaching me right now? The best shelters are in a basement or in an interior room on the lowest floor of the building away from windows and exterior doors. It is important to have multiple ways to receive hazardous weather information. Having a battery backup weather alert radio is one of the best ways. We now return to regular programming.
Number 27, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Audubon, Cass, Guthrie, Mills, Montgomery, Potawatomi, and Shelby. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 27 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Audubon, Cass, Guthrie, Mills, Montgomery, Potawatomi, and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa until 3:15 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Farragut, or 21 miles northwest of Tarkio, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shenandoah around 2:40 p.m. Essex around 2:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Emerson, Red Oak, Stanton, and Elliott. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, Page, and Potawatomi.
Rocks and rock exit.
Warning for southeastern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa until 3:45 p.m.
Pull over. We're gonna stop here and observe.
Miles north of Tarkio, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Yeah, get off the road.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
Careful.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
let's get out.
and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shenandoah around 3:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Essex, Stanton, and Villisca. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Montgomery, and Page.
Here, I'm gonna risk recording and get out.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and southwestern Iowa, eastern Page County in southwestern Iowa, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coyne, or 17 miles northeast of Tarkio, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Clarinda around 3:05 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Montgomery, and Page. The National Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Montgomery County and southwestern Iowa, southeastern Potawatomi County and southwestern Iowa until 4 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles northeast of Emerson, or 26 miles southwest of Atlantic, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
It didn't fall out, did it?
Expected hazards include the National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Montgomery County and southwestern Iowa until 3:45 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Red Oak, or 24 miles west of Corning, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter.
Fuck it.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
This one's better.
Windows and vehicles will occur.
This one's not as bad as the one we
Tree
got.
damage is likely.
Not even close.
This dangerous storm will be near Elliott around 3:25 p.m. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area.
We gotta hurry.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
You want to?
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from
Gotta be
flying
chasing.
debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county, Montgomery, Iowa.
Well, we're not gonna make
A tornado warning for
where's my other
Montgomery
lens?
County and southwestern Iowa, north central Page County in southwestern Iowa
I need a lens
until 4
cap.
p.m.
Where'd it go?
At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles south of Stanton,
I'm
or
missing a
19
lens clip.
miles west of Corning, moving
probably someone in the
northeast
back.
at 50 miles per
Yeah,
hour.
I'm just gonna put this in here.
Expected hazards include
Put it back, put it back, put it back. We got no time.
Where are we going?
East.
Right?
Multiple
Mhm.
clouds east of Essex.
Multiple funnel clouds.
Impacts are
We gotta go.
expected.
This is our chance.
Wait, that's Sam behind us.
Yeah, it is. He caught up.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs.
Let's go. Actually, I say, maybe we should have gone south.
Tree damage
No,
is
wait.
likely.
Let's catch up to it from behind.
Will be near.
Well, then we won't see the tornado then.
We're gonna be intercepting straight through the hail core.
To a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
I'll see how far.
Avoid windows.
Yeah. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle.
Alright.
Move to the closest substantial shelter.
This is our
and protect
chance.
yourself from
This is
flying
the one that's
debris.
gonna do it.
Feel the wind.
A tornado warning has been issued
Yeah.
until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Montgomery, and Page. Recording, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a
Oh, man.
threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Adams and northwestern Taylor counties, including the
Yeah.
following locations: Corning Municipal Airport and Prescott. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Adams and Taylor.
He wants to fly by everyone.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Adams
This
County
one's cutting
in
off just
southwestern
like all the
Iowa,
others.
Yeah.
western Luther County in southwestern Iowa until 4:15
Become the longest
p.m.
street.
At 3:48 p.m.,
That's,
a severe thunderstorm was
well, it's
located
from the-
near Lake Icaria,
okay, I don't
over
care
8
about
miles northwest of Corning, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated
Whoa.
threat.
Oh, I can see there's that clear spot. That's hail coming out of it.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh boy.
Expected damage to roofs,
Jesus.
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Adair, and Adams.
Ooh, this looks like we're
Until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa. Weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch.
Oh, we might have a shot, dude.
While severe weather.
We're right next to it.
Low County in southeastern Iowa, south central Alaska County in south central Iowa until 6:45 p.m. contain debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Alaska, Monroe, and Wapello.
Get ready. I'm just gonna... Be ready, be ready, be ready. What's he doing? He's a local. Yeah. Oh, he's pulling over. Okay. We need lightning.
Need all the lightning.
Ooh, train crossing. Nice. Wow. Uh-oh. I thought I saw it for a moment. What's this? I don't know. Oh, they're heading north.
Just ahead.
Eastern Marshall and North for counties is canceled.
Oh, there's a fire truck.
Yep, it would be right in front of us. Literally, it's on the road, so it's right in front of us.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County, southern Benton County, Lynn County, northern Iowa County until 8 p.m.
Oh, it's a storm to the south.
At 7:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near center points and near Shellsburg to near Ladora, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Center Point, Atkins, Philo, and Shellsburg around to 7:40 p.m. Hiawatha, Blairstown, and Tauntville around to 7:45 p.m. Robbins, Central City, Albinet, Paris, and Conroy around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Marion, Conroy, Norway, Cedar Rapids, Fairfax, Walford, Prairie Berg, Waubeke, Whittier, and Amana. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa.
Then turn left onto Williams Boulevard.
Right here? Yeah.